This is problem number 11 from your Basic Skills Proficiency Review. Our objective here is to subtract mixed numerals that have unlike denominators. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this problem in column form. It's easier for me to subtract that way. And I'm going to focus on these denominators of 4 and 3. I see they're not alike, and I know that in order to add or subtract, I have to have like denominators. So 4 and 3 both go into 12. So that's going to become our new denominator. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the whole and focus just on the fractions, making 12 our new denominator. Now we're writing an equivalent fraction for 1/4 with 12 as the denominator, and to go from 4 to 12 I had to multiply by 3. Whatever I multiply the denominator by, I have to multiply the numerator by the same number. So 1 times 3 is 3. In our fraction 1/3, to go to an equivalent fraction with 12 in the denominator, I had to go 3 times 4 gave me 12, so I have to multiply the numerator by the same number. 1 times 4 is 4. So now I have the same denominators, and I'm ready to try to subtract here. So I want to subtract the numerators, but I can't take 4 from 3. So I'm going to have to do some regrouping. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take one whole away from the 4, and that's going to become a 3. And I'm going to turn that one whole into a fraction. Now we're using 12 as a denominator, so it makes sense to make that fraction be 12 twelfths. And I'm going to go ahead and add that 12 twelfths to the 3 twelfths. Now let's go rewrite these mixed numbers. We now have 3 as our whole. We add 3 twelfths and 12 twelfths. That's 15 twelfths. And now I can subtract these fractions. I have the same denominator. I can take 4 from 15. That gives me 11. The denominator stays the same of 12. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. I look at this fraction and see if I can simplify it any further. 11 and 12 don't have any common factors I could divide out. Can't simplify that any further, so my final answer is 2 and 11 twelfths.